This activity will present example responses to today's waterfall task. You will listen to a response with a video backdrop. Pay attention because after each response is presented, you will retell or speak out loud the detail from the response. This will help you practice the critical skill of relaying information from another person and give you new ways to communicate your own ideas and experiences. You will repeat this task of listening and speaking 3 times. We will always encourage you to record yourself during your practice. This way you can review your recording and make a plan for how you want to improve.
Do you have any seasonal foods or drinks that you always enjoy?
Oh, when it gets really hot, I always go for agua fresca. It's such a refreshing drink, basically blended fruit, water, and a little sugar. Watermelon or pineapple are my favorites because they taste super fresh. It's the perfect way to cool down. As for food, I love tacos al pastor. The pork is marinated, cooked on a vertical grill, and then served with pineapple, onions, and cilantro. It's so flavorful. It actually reminds me of family gatherings and festivals. There's something about eating them outside on a warm evening that just feels special. I always look forward to it.
In my country, school starts early, usually around 7:30 in the morning. Students have a full schedule with different subjects like math, science, and language classes. Around noon, there's a lunch break where students eat and relax before continuing lessons. Some schools also have short breaks between classes. After school, many students stay for extracurricular activities like sports, music, or tutoring sessions. The school day usually ends around 3 in the afternoon, but some students stay later for extra lessons or homework sessions.
What does a typical birthday celebration look like in your culture?
A typical birthday in my culture involves lots of food, music, and dancing. Family and friends gather to celebrate, and there's usually a big cake. People sing happy birthday, share laughter, and enjoy spending time together. It's a festive and lively event.
Nice work. Stop your recording. Listen to it or work with a transcription. Take some time to self-assess. How was your confidence? How was the completeness of your response? Was your language correct? Was it comprehensible?